Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss why your Gmail is queued. So the first and maybe the main reason why your Gmail is queued because you have no internet connection or your internet connection is poor. So Gmail cannot send your emails if you have no solid connection. So to fix your internet connection, you can try switching between Wi-Fi and try using your mobile data. Also, you can try restarting your phone and again trying to send the emails. The next reason maybe because there is some glitch or bug in the Gmail application, and that's why you can't send your emails. And to fix that, you can try restart again your phone or restart the application. To do that, you need to delete this folder and open the application again, or you can try updating your Gmail to the latest version from App Store or Play Store. Also, the reason why your Gmail is queued maybe because you are sending too many requests, too many emails. So to prevent overload, Gmail puts your emails in queue. And to fix it, you need to just wait for some time and check whether your emails have been sent, or you can try sending your emails like for small portions, and then maybe then your Gmail won't be queued. So yeah, I think that's all from me. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.